All right, I think I'm recording. Uh, this is just an example of how to use uh, Screen Recorder. It's called Screen Recorder 5 is the program I'm using. Once you've downloaded it to your computer, you just go to Screen Recorder, open it up. It's already open. Um, Basically, you hit it and you do your uh, recording from that way. Then what you do is you run through your normal project. So say I were to open up a PowerPoint presentation. Right now, what would be recording would be my notes on a class lecture. Class lecture, of course, being the professional development learning module, which I did mine on digital literacy. So as you can see, you run through your notes for your class, for your students. You run through your lecture. You tell them everything that you think they need to know, and expand on the notes that are part of the class. And you go at a normal pace. Now, there's some advantages to this. If somebody's trying to write down notes in the class, they can stop it and play it back because it'll be saved to a Windows Media file. They can, a WMV, they can pause it, write down what they need to write down, or rewind it, let it play again, that sort of thing. And they'll be able to keep up with what's going on in the class. Now, this is perfect for uh, online teaching, which all of us are getting this degree. I think at some point we will all be doing some sort of online teaching as well. I know where I teach, it's just understood that you're going to uh, work your normal workday, but then you are also going to have to devote time to your course management system at night, ensuring that kids can do their homework online and things of that nature. Where I teach, we're very fortunate to have that kind of technology. But also for students, if they were to do a project, if you were to assign them something, then what you could see is the student that's typically very quiet is going to be more likely to feel comfortable participating in something like this, where they can start over, they can do it again, they can perfect it and have a project that's perfect in their eyes. They want to look good in front of their peers, and this gives them an opportunity to make sure that the project is the way they want it to be. But as you can see, you can just record and go through whatever it is that you're talking about on the PowerPoint, and students will be following at home. Uh, Again, this could be a project, it could be a lecture, it could be a review. The possibilities for using a screen recorder, using PhotoStory, using Audacity, the possibilities are endless. And again, you have certain advantages when you have technology at your disposal to assign students these projects. Now, I'll assign projects, but I only do it where we can get everything done at school, and then I don't have to worry about the few kids here and there that don't have um, computers or internet access or things like that. One of the cool things about these programs is that they can be used uh, once they're downloaded onto your computer. You don't necessarily need the internet uh, to complete your project. Kids can get pictures for their flash drive. They can get notes and things like that. Take it home. Go on their computer. Lots of people have computers but don't have internet access. Well, for that, for those kids, you can still assign them certain projects that they're going to be able to complete uh, because they've got the computer at home. They don't need the internet. If they can do the legwork at school, then they can polish it up at home and still do a good job. And just finishing up the the screen recorder example. Implementing technology is easy. It's something everybody should do. It is the direction that schools are going, and the kids are already there. The kids are, they're elementary schools with kids with cell phones. I mean, it's a different world we live in now. And I think the fear is that the kids will be better at the technology than we, the teachers, will. And a lot of times that may be true. But it's up to us to keep up with the times and not get passed by. This is my screen recorder example.